Hi, today I'm going to test how long it takes to install ReactJS on an M1 Max laptop, MacBook Pro. So I've previously uploaded a video on 2020 about the same thing, but on a M1, on a simple M1 device, which was the 13-inch MacBook Pro. So now that I have an M1 Max, I'm curious how long it will take. So let's get started. First, we're gonna install Create React App. This was completed in 4 seconds. On the previous clip, it took around 2 seconds. Maybe they've updated their package and it's heavier. So let's create an application using Create React App. It should be simple. Just type npx create react app and the name. We'll stick with the. Actually, let's give it a React name. My app React. And let's see how long it takes. "33 seconds until now, added packages." And they're still going on. So 33 and 11 seconds, 44 seconds. Let's check how long it took on the previous clip. Create React App was installed in 2 seconds. Oh, it took longer than that. First packages in 62 seconds. And then the other ones were like in 9 seconds. So 71 seconds. I'm not sure about this package, if we should count it. So if it's 91, oh, 71, 77 seconds. So M1 Max is faster. Here it took 33, 11 and 1 second. Right. So let's give it a try, if it's working. npm start. And here it is. Thank you for watching the video and have a great day. And I'm waiting for your comments. Hit the like button, and if you want to share it with your friends, you can do that as well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.